Hi everyone, I'm back with the Southern Skeins hand-dyed Advent. I couldn't think of the word Advent. And this is day 3. So, let's take a look at day 3. And I'm going to pull out the colors that we've already seen so I can show those to you as well. 1 second. There we go. Okay, so this one is day 3. I already set it aside from the box, as you can tell. Well, the ones I'm going to record today I set aside. And this one is day 3. And check that out. Isn't that pretty? Get my, like that, so it'll come in. Look at that. So, this is between me and my friend Connie. 3 yellows in a row. Oh my gosh. So, the first 2. 1, 2, and 3. It does have some yellow in it. Not much. But a small amount. So, I'm sorry. I'm laughing about that. So, this one is day 3. So, stay tuned till tomorrow and we will see what 4 has in store. Stay safe, be kind to one another, and happy yarning. Bye now.